fully equipped mechanical workshop servicing the Cooloola coast, Cooloola Cove, Queensland. If you're a mechanic seeking your own business plus a coastal lifestyle, you'll want to check out this fully equipped workshop. Located in a busy small town, halfway between Rainbow Beach and Tin Can Bay, the business was established 14 years ago. With the closest large town 55 kilometres away, there's no shortage of customers and the business enjoys a consistent income flow. Offering general mechanical servicing and repairs, this is currently a one-man operation, but there's huge potential to hire staff and expand. The business has an outstanding reputation, requires minimal local advertising, and enjoys plenty of repeat business and referrals. The equipped workshop includes 2 hoists, compressor, welders, scan tools and more, and training is offered for a smooth handover. Offering great exposure on the main road, the lease includes the 20 metres by 9 metres workshop, street frontage and ample parking. Cooloola Cove offers access to Fraser Island, unspoiled beaches, fishing, boating and more, plus a shopping centre, schools and medical services.